Hey guys, today I decided to buy a coffee machine. So let's do it. After 2 minutes of researching, I found this thing. It looks cool, and it said here it's coffee machine. So let's buy it.
3 days later.
And it's arrived. Yeah, let's see it. So excited. Ooh. We have some catalogs, some rubbish, and that's it, I guess. That's nice. Oh, look at this thing. That's nice. What should I put here? Okay, what is this? Oh. Where should I put this? Yeah, that's nice. Look how smooth it is. That's elegant. I guess this one must be here. Yep. Fit perfectly. Where's the power switch? How am I supposed to use it? What should I put inside here? Should I put coffee inside this one? I have no idea. So I guess this one must be filled with milk. With hot milk, I guess. And this device will heat it up. And the coffee will be inside here. So all what I have to do is put a cup here and I will get cappuccino, I guess. Or espresso or whatever this stuff is called. Because I have no experience in coffee. I just bought this randomly because it looks cool. And that's it. So we have user manual. Oh, we have 2 user manuals. So I guess we have to read a little bit to know how this thing works. Where's the summary? And what is this? What is lemon juice? What is this? What is this thing? So you need this to make the coffee. Where can I find this? I want that. Okay, then this is what we can do with this device. Discover the whole family. Welcome to the family. It's including the laptop, of course. So I have to buy one of these. Oh shit, this is so expensive. That's so expensive. Why did I bought this? And I have to put water here, not milk. Interesting.
Later.
Guess what? I just bought one. Mocha. It looks nice. It's really cool. This is what I will gonna receive, I guess. Need 2 cups to make 1 cup. That's interesting. It includes 16 pieces, so I have to put 2 together to get this drink. So I guess now it's time to try it. Yeah, let's do it. كبيرة الواحدة.
It's white. This is the coffee one.
Nothing happened. Oh.
Green light. And let's go all the way full. Oh, it's green already.
Do it. Oh. What? Oh. Interesting. Guess كوباية تانية. Guess كوباية تانية. Do not. Do not, you suck at everything. Do it. لا حطه من فوق.
It's too late.
What's
Okay.
too late?
It's hot. I'm not gonna touch it with my hand.
دافية بس.
دافية؟
نصها كان ساقع.
مكتوب says 2 here.
الأبيض.
إذا مكتوب هنا 9. ده العدد بتاعها 9 6. كل واحدة ليها واحدة.
Yes, I mean you have to read. That's it.
خذوها.
Oh, they were gonna do the rest. one shot. مليانة مية. Fuck it, I'm gonna throw it. Let's see what is inside it. Yeah, try it again.
Only?
Should put the coffee first. It's not how it works. Can I use the used one again? It's still heavy. Or just gonna twist it a little bit. Let's try it again. Maybe you can get more coffee, I guess. Let's do it. Yep, there is coffee. Yeah, that's coffee. It's not finished yet. Yeah, it's not clear, but it's coffee. Let's put the other one. Just two again. Yeah, that's milk. You see, there's still milk inside. No, that's mocha. It was mocha, yeah. An extra mocha. And you see, this one is still full of water. You can drink this as a coffee, you know. Let's put some sugar and drink it. So you can make 2 cups of coffee. Can you see the foam? You can make 2 cups of coffee with the same shells or cups or whatever they called it. Now 4 spoons of sugar. Okay, this is enough. Just twist it a little bit and ruined everything we did. Oh man, I can smell coffee. Let's try it. It is more water than a coffee, but I still can taste it. Cool.